Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a beautiful, memorable mosaic box, and inside my box, when I slide off the ribbon, is a little bar of chocolate, and it's a galaxy, and I love these. These are the ones where you get 4 in a packet. I don't know what size they are. Oh, it's not telling me what size they are. It's the ones where you get 4 in a pack from Tesco's. Now, funny story for you, there were 4 and I only needed 2. 1 for in here and 1 to then put into the next one that I'm going to make. So I let Jacob and Oliver, who are my 2 smallest boys and who love to, I'll put that on in a minute, love to come and help in the office, I let them have 2. And I came to film it, and the 4th one had got so hot in my office that it had melted, and I'd had it leaning on top of something, and what I had was the stamp set in this. And there's a phone going. I don't know, there's a phone in here, it's not mine. And the chocolate bar was sitting on here, but not right in the middle, it was off to one side. So it had bent, and then it hardened, and I couldn't put it in the video. So, anyway, right, you need a piece of paper that is 6 by 6 inches. The finished dimensions of it, 5 inches by 2 1/4 by just half an inch. So in metric, that's 12 3/4 by 5 3/4 by 1 1/4. I'm just going to, now everybody's going to ring me. Okay, so 6 by 6 paper, 15 1/4 by 15 1/4 centimetres. On the first side, score it at half an inch and at 5 1/2 inches, which in metric is 1 1/4 and 14. Then on the other side, score it at half an inch, 2 3/4, 3 1/4, and 5 1/2 inches. And again in metric, that's 1 1/4, 7, 8 1/4, 14. Okay, so I'll pop that down. I love this paper, it's so beautiful. Isn't it gorgeous? Can you see the shine on it? Oh, I don't know how you're going to see the shine. It's on all these bits here. It's sort of slightly embossed. Just charming. I'm having to look carefully to see where the score lines are. There's one. So yes, this was meant to be sort of like a tuck box treat, and yeah, it was when I was doing I'd have all my food delivered by Tesco's. When you've got a family of 6 and you do the bulk of your shopping on a monthly basis, you get it delivered. And I always sneak in chocolate bars and stuff like that, and things that I can put into videos. For those who are going to ask about my monthly food shopping and the fresh vegetables, that's done on a weekly basis. And I have milk delivered. But yeah, I always put treats in, and yeah, I thought I'd put chocolate bars in this time. And I thought that'd be a great idea. And then it got really hot. And the melted chocolate bar. So anyway, so all I'm doing is I'm going into these little squares here and just trimming them away a little bit. I will have to find what size those bars are, or rather what the weight is, but like I say, they're the ones you get in a 4-pack from supermarkets. I believe you guys in America, you have these, but they're called Dove. Don't know if I'm completely accurate on that, but I'm sure you call them Dove. Okay, I'm going to use mini glue dots, and only because I'm too impatient to wait for liquid glue to dry. But to be fair, this will be fine because mini glue dots are quite strong. Not quite sure I could stick a chart to the ceiling with these, can with tear and tape I reckon, but they're still pretty strong. Okay, so I'm going to fold this round, and that one. And the final one. So I'm creating the base of the box. And now the lid. And as I said, if I had another chocolate bar, I'd put it inside, but I haven't. What can I fit in there? Can I fit snips? It's a little bit too big, a bit too long. Yeah, I fit that in. There's probably quite a few things. Oh, could I fit these in? They might be just a bit too deep. No. But like I say, this was specifically designed for a chocolate bar. And it fits just nicely. Right, so let's finish it off. So I've got some crushed curry ribbon that I believe is from the same suite. I don't know, I just liked the colour of it on my shelf. And why is that popping open again? Oh, so I've stuck it to the mini glue dots. Oh dear. And I'm going to go this way round, I think, this time. This is quite forgiving, this ribbon. It's because it's crinkled. What's it called? Crinkle seam binding ribbon. Except I haven't done the tails very well, but that'll do. I could be here faffing for an hour. Okay, so memorable mosaic stamp set. I am going to stick with the crushed curry, even though there isn't any in this paper. There was on my original one, but there isn't in this paper. I still like it, and I'm going to cut out a crushed curry bird in a minute. So I've got very vanilla. There's my crushed curry. My label punch. Here it is. No, wrong one. There it is. I don't remember what the name of this label is. I want to say Everyday Label, but I don't know that that's right. I've got summer holiday brain fuzz right now. I can't remember the names of things. Anybody else get that? When all names of things exit the building and you're like, I don't remember what it's called. So, oh, I'm not going to put that on just yet because I want to take this hummingbird and that's going to go the other way. So let's get the bulk of that cut off my piece of paper. And I can cut round it. Now, if you haven't looked at this in detail, all of these hummingbirds have got a very pale, it's like an extremely pale so saffron edge to them. So you don't have to get really close to the feathers or the detailing. You can just go round this very pale creamy colour. And so it makes a fussy cut really easy, actually. And I'm not a girl who fussy cuts. So that one's going to go that way round, isn't it? Mm. Did I cut a bit of that off? I don't think I did. There we go. How cute. And I'll get the ribbon on that back on that in a minute. Anyway, what do you think? Quick and easy, yummy scrummy. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.